Gone or been? Which one should I use? Well, it depends what you are trying to say. So let's take a quick look at how we use these two words. Let's start with gone. Gone is both an adjective and the third form of the verb go. When gone is an adjective, it means that something is not in the same place that it was in before. Javier is gone. No one knows where he is. My parents are gone. They are on vacation in Puerto Rico. My wallet is gone. Someone must have stolen it. When gone is used as the third form of go, it's very similar to the adjective because it means that something is not in the original location anymore. However, it focuses more on the movement from one place to another place. And you're going to use this with present perfect or past perfect. So you'll also need to use have, has, or had. She's not here? She was here 15 minutes ago. Where has she gone? My parents have gone to Puerto Rico. They will be back next week. Miriam has gone fishing, but she should be back here in about 2 hours. Also, in these situations, many Americans would actually just use past simple tense. She's not here? She was here 15 minutes ago. Where did she go? My parents went to Puerto Rico. They will be back next week. Miriam went fishing, but she should be back in about 2 hours. It's not really correct to use past simple in these examples, but to me as an American, they sound much more natural. Okay, now, how about been? First of all, I say been. Some people say been. Both are correct. Just like gone, been is also used mostly in present perfect tense and past perfect tense. And it is the third form of be. I am, I was, I have been. Although it is the third form of be, it is often used to talk about past life experiences, especially going places. I have been to Mexico. This means that I went there one or more times in the past. I have the experience of going to Mexico. However, I am not there now. I have been camping. This means that I went camping one or more times in the past. I have the experience of going camping. However, I am not camping right now. And of course, we can also use been with adjectives, nouns, and continuous verbs. But what I really want to focus on today is the difference between I have been to and I have gone to. Hopefully, you now understand the difference, but let's look at one more example just to make sure. I have been to England, and I have gone to England. I have been to England is about the past. I went to England one or more times in the past, but I'm not there anymore. I have gone to England is about the present. I'm not in my original location anymore, because now I am in England. However, many native English speakers use I have gone to and I have been to mean the same thing. Have you ever gone to England before? Because I'm an English teacher, I would never say that. However, many native English speakers would say that. So my advice to you is to use been for past life experiences, and use gone to talk about the fact that someone is no longer in their original location. But also remember that you will probably hear people use gone to talk about past experiences as well. And don't forget that gone can also be an adjective. She's gone. She's not here anymore. As always, I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for watching.